Technology now is totally different. Everything's computerised, or a lot of stuff is anyway, so getting into a trade now is actually quite a good idea, I think.
Best thing about my job is just working with my hands, using different tools and just seeing the finished product when I'm done.
I used to work at a place where I used to sell stainless steel, and I decided I didn't want to really sell it anymore, I wanted to fabricate it.
I had to be involved in aircraft. I had a love also for electronics, and I put two and two together and came up with aviation maintenance engineer in avionics.
Knowledge, training and skills are portable. An employee can take those skills wherever he or she goes.
We employ apprentices here because it's the only way that we can ensure tradespeople for the future of our company.
Manufacturing industry is a varied and wide group of industries. A lot of the product that is exported out of this state comes from the manufacturing industry. It's not predominantly agricultural products or mining industry products, they're manufactured products.
If you look at the current situation in manufacturing, we all are growing and we will all need more labour in the future. Unqualified labour will not give you the competitive advantage which the Australian industry will need to compete internationally.
Some people have a misconceived idea of what manufacturing is. It's not in workshops dimly and darkly lit on dirt floors. They're in modern, well illuminated, clean workshops.
These days one has to invest in the latest technology to be able to achieve the results that allow us to stay in the business. Many millions of dollars are invested annually to be able to reach the state of the art that's required to be competitive in today's markets.
Especially in Australia, we're great innovators, and for somebody interested in being at the cutting edge, this is definitely the industry to be in.
I feel an apprenticeship gets your job ready. The way I did it, I went through Aviation Australia and did Certificate 4 in Aero Skills, Mechanical.
I do 2 6-week blocks in Brisbane. We come down and do go through the theory of the job.
Other than that, it's all pretty much hands-on training at work with a tradesman there by his side, teaching as you go.
Once a fortnight I'll have a teacher from TAFE come and see me, which actually is a lot better because I can spend more time on the shop floor rather than sitting in a classroom.
You get paid while you're actually learning and continuing to train.
They are, I suppose, nurtured with a greater degree of enthusiasm and passion from our point of view because we see them as long-term employees.
If you look at most of the managers and supervisors within G. James, you'll find that many of them have been trained and progressed from apprenticeships into supervision and management roles.
I'm confident that students from this institute will go on to be leaders in their field. There is a wide variety of areas that they could be involved in science in the future.
Well, I plan to stay on at Stoddard because they're a great company to work for. They're good blokes that work here and you make some pretty exciting stuff.
I'd love to keep doing this all my life. I can't see me doing anything else but this job.
When I finish my apprenticeship, I'm going to have the skills to work anywhere around Australia in boat building or any sort of fabrication work.
I got a trade under my belt and I think that's great.
The world's your oyster, you can go wherever you want.